Hi there, in this video I want to show you how to change font size on your Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra. Let's get started. So, this is really simple. For that we just need to open settings, here go in the display tab, and after that if we scroll a bit we'll see the font size and style option. So here we can adjust the font size according to our preferences. You can tap these letters to make the size bigger or smaller, or you can also drag the slider right like that. So this is the biggest option and this is the smallest one. Just drag the slider to the point you like the most, and after that we can change the style. For that click the tab and here we can see some of the options. Mine is at default now, but we can switch to the Samsung one for example, and here is how it will look. Also, you can see additional fonts by going in the download fonts option. Here you can switch to the top 3 and just install the fonts which you liked. Let's go back here. So if you want to make the text on the screen more visible, you can also enable this bold font option. And that's it for today. I hope this video was helpful for you and thank you for watching.